going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. As you guys can tell by the background, I'm at Car ID with Greg and Cody. And we have the 350Z over here. We're finally gonna change the exhaust on my baby. She's been through a lot lately, but as you guys can tell, the past exhaust has been burning the rear bumper, and we're gonna fix that today. So yeah, are you ready?
Good stuff coming. It's gonna be good. This is actually kind of good. We can give it time. We'll spray. We bought all the PB Blaster just for Liz.
Yes! A little thing about me, I love PB Blaster. I don't know why I like the smell of it. It's weird, I know. So this is the Torx stainless steel exhaust system that we're going to be putting on the 350Z. A lot of you guys are going to be in the comments saying, Liz, why did you go this route and didn't pick something like an ARC and all that? I don't have ARC money, and this is definitely going to be a little bit of a budget build so I can focus on other areas that definitely need the attention. Like I need a new clutch, and there's other things that I need that are going to be super expensive. So this is something that I really wanted to try and see if it's actually really good. I'm going to be having the help of Greg, and as you guys know, you've seen him in videos before. Greg is the one that works here, and he's master at doing all this. We're not even going to attempt to unbolt this. We're just going to cut it up and save ourselves some time, because this whole thing is completely trash. It's basura. We're not reusing it. This is just going to go to the garbage. Yo. And just like that, we have a cut exhaust. So if you follow me on Instagram, you know the whole ordeal about what happened with the wheels. I had left them out. I'm not sure if it happened in my house, but I can't find any like security footage of any type of weird, I don't know, like people walking around my house. But I came out and 3 of the lug nuts were missing on the wheel, and 1 is missing right now because I only had 2 spares to kind of like put them on meantime. Someone was trying to steal my wheels, and it was a scary situation, but that means that they didn't they weren't successful in taking them, because I still have them. So if that was you, don't take my wheels. Thank you. Decade old. And yes, when we bought the car, the O2 sensor was already ripped out like that. Definitely not doing anything to help the car. So we got a new O2 sensor, and we're going to be replacing this, and hopefully the check engine light goes away once we fix this up.
All right, there's one. Yeah. Get that junk out of here.
And this is it. I want to keep this.
No, not a chance.
It's HKS.
Garbage.
It's really dark in there. I hate that I'm not strong enough.
Do it. It's your body weight.
Fuck. How did you?
Come on, you little puny little baby.
I can't do it.
Here.
That one.
There you go.
See?
And I know some of you guys are gonna say, hey Liz, maybe you should be wearing safety glasses. I know, but do I care? No.
Keep hitting it. We'll have to do that over here with this one, and I'm gonna hold this so this doesn't fall on your head.
All right, 1, 2.
Nice.
That one flew.
Ooh.
Crusty.
Garbage.
And that's how you get things done. We didn't get any different downpipes. These are the ISR Performance downpipes, and they're going to stay on the car. And yeah. I like when companies do this, when they just add a little bit of anti-seize or silicone.
It's just really thoughtful, you know?
Right? It makes you feel like they care.
Just thinking about the end user.
Honestly.
Denso.
Mm-hmm.
Thanks.
Thank you. Meanwhile, the fucking packet's upside down. I was like, Denso. Don't touch it though, so you don't get your hands dirty.
Rotate. This is definitely overkill.
Now that that's lubricated, back onto the car. So here I decided to do a voiceover because the compressor was on. It was super, super loud, but we're putting in the new gaskets and bolting everything up together. I do want to say that throughout this video, you're going to see that the boys are helping me a little bit more than usual, and it's because I fell down the stairs a couple days ago and I'm having terrible back pain, so I was already ready to tap out. Come on.
There you go. Yeah. All right, sweet. Ooh. No, no, no. No.
I'm not gonna lie, I'm sorry I farted everyone.
Oh my God, dude! Come on!
Stop farting!
We're working over here.
So I have stepped away because we've had to remove the hangers and try to put them on first and then put them onto the car, if you guys understand what I'm trying to say. But it's on there. We have one completed. It's looking really nice. What do you guys think? Leave a comment down below if you like this so far. Obviously, we don't know what it sounds like yet, but we're halfway there. For the exhaust tips, if you get the burn tip ones, you're gonna have these screws that are inside. I forgot what kind of Allen key this is, the size of it, but you're gonna need a 10. And I know that, you know, you just figure it out, you'll figure it out. You got this. And you wanna make sure that it's nice and tight. That way, when you're driving, you don't accidentally smack someone's car with your tip.
The other one needs
So Greg is like, this one's looking kind of weird, and I was like, well, yeah, because the bumper is melted, that's why it looks off. But it does look really good compared to, well, right now it doesn't look really good, but it does look good, the exhaust itself. I was considering taking off the rear bumper, but I'm gonna leave it on until I get a new one. Okay, so Greg right now is clearing out the check engine light since we replaced that O2 sensor, and hopefully it doesn't come back on. Quickly, I wanted to mention, I do like the sound of the Torx exhaust. I know that it's slightly less louder than the HKS I had previously on the Z, but that was so obnoxiously loud and not healthy for the Z at all. So I'm glad that I found a more affordable yet better version of an exhaust to put on the Z. Guys, so that's how you install the Torx exhaust from CarID.com. Don't forget that if you need any type of aftermarket parts, go check them out. I'm gonna leave the link down below where you guys can go see their website and choose from thousands of aftermarket products for absolutely any type of vehicle. I want to thank you, Greg. He's somewhere over there.
Welcome.
For helping me install the Torx exhaust. Anyways, guys, I'm really excited to finally get back on the road with this. It was sounding a little bit weird with my old exhaust, but one thing at a time, and yeah. Thank you for watching. Bye.